Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcia, and on today's video, we're going to be working on some spring crafts using thrifted items, Dollar Tree items, and one item from Hobby Lobby. So let's get crafting. For project one, I have this birdhouse. It comes in the unfinished wood section over at Hobby Lobby. And I've got a candlestick here that I thrifted, and I am going to use the Thick and Quick tight bond glue to glue that birdhouse right on top of the candlestick. Once the glue had dried, I'm going in with Folk Arts chalk paint and the cottage white, and I'm giving the candlestick, I gave about 3 coats, and the birdhouse I only did 1 coat.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
While the paint was drying, I created these resin birds and this little scroll using my amazing resin. The birds are from the bird song mold. It's IOD, and the little fancy little scroll piece is a random little mold that my mom had in her stash. I'm giving the birds 2 coats of Farm Fresh DIY paint, and I am going to paint the little scroll piece in the cottage white.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now on the birds, to give them a little more dimension, I am going to go in with Dixie Belle's white wax. This will not only protect the paint on the birds, but it will also give it a little dimension by that white wax getting into all the little details that are on the birds. I'm simply applying the white wax and then wiping back the excess. I'm then going to take and use that tight bond thick and quick glue, and I'm going to glue these resin pieces onto my birdhouse. Now for the top of it, I thought it would be cute to add a transfer. So I have this floral transfer that I pulled from the IOD Saint Germain transfer book. I just love that book. It's probably my favorite one with all the florals.
The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young
And here's how this cute little birdhouse turned out. Now, I haven't sealed it because it has been really cold here, but I plan on taking it outside and giving it a spray of clear matte finish. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. For project two, this is a really simple craft. I am going to use this Dollar Tree candle hurricane base to create a cloche. Now I'm going through my thrifted little knobs here to see which one looks best. Um, I always pick up these little knobs when I see them at the bins. So I've decided on this little wooden one, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of that Waverly chalk, I'm sorry, a spoke art chalk paint in the color Cottage White. Then I'm going to use my E6000 glue and simply glue that knob onto the top, or actually it's the bottom of the little vase. And I'm going to set that aside and let it dry overnight. And here's how it turned out. I just put it on one of my dark wood risers, and I put a little bunny inside, and I think it is so cute. You guys let me know what you think. And like I said, this was quick and simple, but turned out extremely cute. For project three, I have these birds that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They are in the spring crafting section. Now these were smooth to the touch. They're the ones that you can paint yourself. And I'm going in with Waverly's chalk paint and plaster, and I added baking soda to the paint, and I'm pretty much just pouncing the paint onto the birds to give it some texture. I'm sorry, texture. Now to put our birds on, I've got these 2 furniture legs that I picked up. I see these all the time at the bins, and I love to pick them up because I love to see what I can make with them. I forgot to hit record when I first started painting, but I'm going in with the color farm. No, this is apothecary. I'm sorry, DIY's apothecary, and I'm giving each one 2 coats. And once all my paint was dry, I'm simply going to take my Type Bond Thick and Quick glue, and I am going to glue those birds onto my little furniture legs. And here's how these cute little birds turned out. I think this is my favorite. It was simple. They turned out really cute. And after the discount, these Hobby Lobby birds are only $1.79. And at the thrift store for these little ceramic birds would probably be $1.99. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Now that's all the crafts I had for today. I hope you enjoyed watching just as much as I enjoyed making these crafts. If you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And come back next week for some more spring crafts and DIYs. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.